Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. Should you be eating tomatoes? Let's find out. With all those exciting health benefits from tomatoes, there are so many ways you can enjoy, such as adding some slice to your favorite sandwich, or you can even add some dice to your salads. You can enjoy a refreshing glass of tomato juice or a bowl of some succulent tomato soup. You can even make some tomato paste and enjoy with your homemade pizzas. You can prepare a delicious tomato salsa and enjoy however you'd like. Remember guys, tomato is a fruit, so therefore you can also enjoy it just as is. Overall, lovelies, tomatoes are not only a flavorful addition to various dishes, but it also contributes to a healthy and a balanced diet. So, should you be eating tomatoes? Leave that in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comments down below, and subscribe.